Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey, I don't see that stuff. Hey, caffeine, BS for November 24th, 2019. For the last week and a half or so, people all over YouTubedom have been freaking out over child protection. Earlier today, I learned something that I hadn't been hearing by watching another video on YouTube. Apparently, just recently, YouTube went platform-wide and looked at everyone's channels and said, kid, not kid. Kid, not kid. You know? Picking the categories that you'd be in. Like me, I'm still solidly in science and technology. Those things the Army did to me when, you know, that's the science and technology. What the government did to me when I was in the service. No, seriously, mini machining, not for kids. Obviously, I can't do a lot of grandfatherly stuff like fix this toy on a video, because, you know, that's an adult activity, fix a toy. A lot of grandpas. Little darling comes up, Grandpa, it's broke, fix it. You know, your little darling standing there holding out the broken toy. You gotta choose, fix it or don't fix it. Try to fix it or don't try to fix it, right? I mean, what if it's an obnoxious, noisy thing that your son-in-law or daughter-in-law bought and gave to the little darling to keep at Grandpa's house? You know those? Remember when you were a parent? Those things you inflicted on your in-laws, those toys you gave to the grandkid and said, keep this at Grandpa's house? Comes around, doesn't it?
I found Mom's packet of Ribbon's lubricant in the dog's bed. The dog was playing with it.
That's Poncho, our trans-species kitty cat, stuck in a Chewini's body.
No, you know, what my Wi-Fi was missing yesterday? I had to use a different one.
Apparently, he
And then this morning,
strained in more than just his species identification.
I mean, I moved shit around. Well, if I moved shit around, it was not there. I moved the tray and everything.
Okay.
Don't ask me why the dog.
No bright color. Black shirt, dull brown chair, yellow. Oh, I'm sorry about the yellow. It's a dull yellow. Okay. No bright colors, nothing to interest a child, no toys, no comics, no games, no models. So, I won't be fixing any toys for my grandkid. I'm not on the tube. I was going to start exploring, hey, hey, modelers, you want to make metal parts for your models? You need to machine them? Ain't going there. So, tomorrow, my wife ordered me a new webcam. It looks pretty nice. $8 free shipping, coming from China. Should be here late January. Because my original POV cam died. And trying to resurrect it, I mutilated the corpse. And unrecoverable. Anyway, she ordered this fairly nice little USB plug-in webcam on its own little stand. It got a light, microphone, and all that. Between this computer and this one right here, it's right over there. I would pivot the camera and show it to you, but this camera is a big pain in the butt. It'll only work with one cord. It's like over here, way back. It's like the cord's like that long. It will not work connected with any extension USB cord. Can't find anything to plug in the back of the camera, that size USB, So this is only basically good for there and long shots in the shop. But, so much of what I do is POV, right up close. See right here? See, there's the pearl. Anyway, it's 9:08 p.m. and I am not going to watch dead people. No, Anyway, I'm going to stop. I got to record something else.